Hamilton Crossing 2 versus Veronica Wix.
James Smith for the plaintiff.
Hello, Miss Wixett. How are you? I think I'm doing okay. We'll see. All right. You filed a motion. So it explains your good cause, but then
That motion either.
right, yeah, we have an issue up front about mailing these out, getting them out.
Well, until Miss Pugh Powell gets on the job, the post office won't get it there on time anyway.
Right.
Okay, pause right here. This is a turning point. The judge just shifted the floor from paperwork to personal accountability. Notice the move? We've gone from numbers on a balance sheet, $3,821.09, to her story. And in eviction court, that shift matters. Because this isn't just about unpaid rent anymore. It's about whether the court sees a path forward. Legally speaking, once judgment has been entered and payments stop, the landlord has leverage. But judges still have discretion, especially when someone shows effort, employment, or hardship. The real question is, does she have a plan or just hope? And you can feel the tension building already.
Basically, she's indicating she was at work. She works with people who are ill. She didn't have anybody to relieve her with the client that she was with. All right. So how much does she owe at this point?
$23.75. She owes $17.45 on the judgment. She posted, I think, $660
today,
today.
which brought it up to 2 months rent of $11.60. So that would be, I think, 12 something. So my dilemma was I was basically living beyond my means and my finances got stretched. They cut our overtime at work. I don't know what's going on there. But they're basically overworking us, but not wanting to give us the overtime. And it put me in a bind. So now, like everything is behind. I called Hawk and they told me that I made too much money, but I have my son living with me, but they said they had to talk to him and he's in Philadelphia with his father. So they told me without him, I couldn't even make an appointment. So
That's an adult son.
The adult son, he's 25. And so when I went to my doctor's office, like I'm feeling stressed at this point. So the liaison at my doctor's office is trying to help me. But again, that's all I got as of right now. And like everything is super behind. And so I wouldn't be able to rectify it and pay it until the 7th, the balance. And that should
Until the 7th
of March. And that would include March's rent. So I would be caught up totally on the 7th of March. And my rent isn't due until the 5th. So basically, if they could extend me with what I have in escrow and what I could pay on the 7th, it'll catch me completely up.
So is that the next time that you have a paycheck? Is this the 6th or 7th?
Tomorrow I get paid, but I've been off work. I had got COVID, so I was off work. So my check tomorrow isn't going to be that much, and I still have to get to work. And I have bills that come out of my check. My car note and everything comes automatically debited. So once they take that in my insurance, I'm not going to have it tomorrow or Monday. Whenever they pay us, they've been sporadically paying us. Sometimes I get paid on Saturday and sometimes I get paid on.
But you can say that you're going to tell me that you can pay up everything
by the 7th of March.
Let's make sure we're all talking about the same number, Your Honor.
Okay, go ahead.
So that'll be about 3,000. And how much do you have in escrow?
How would,
$660.
how would it be?
Hang on.
660.
11.
That's all you have? You don't have anything else?
Well, hold on a second. Did you make 2 payments to escrow?
I made one today and
That's why. Okay. I was looking at that receipt, not looking at the register of action. So I actually have 1160
Yes.
in escrow. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay.
So she'll owe 2, a little less than 2 in March.
How?
Well, because March rent gets added.
To the 1735, right?
Well, right now you owe 2375.
That's with March's rent, sweetie.
No,
It's not.
no, that's February's rent.
Your judgment was in January.
I'm confused. I'm confused now. So
Okay, your judgment, when it was taken,
I'm
it
sorry.
was taken on January 30th. So it was taken right at the end of January.
Right.
So since that time, your February rent has clicked in.
Which made it 17. I thought 7.
How much is your monthly?
My rent is 580.
The judgment was 1745.
Correct.
And I had made them a payment. I really owe
580 plus a late fee has been added for February, so that's 630. So that took it to 2375, and add another 580 on March 1st.
And here we go. Courtroom math under pressure. Notice how quickly confusion sets in. January judgment, February rent, March rent about to hit, late fees stacking, escrow payments partially applied. This is where a lot of tenants spiral. Not because they don't want to pay, but because the ledger feels impossible to track. And legally, every month that rolls over adds fuel to the landlord's enforcement rights. Right now, the judge isn't just calculating numbers. He's calculating credibility. Can she realistically close a nearly $3,000 gap in under 2 weeks? Or is this optimism talking again?
Late fee won't kick in until the 6th, so that'll be 29.55.
5 is what I get. And so at 29.55, then if I count 1160, can you give me that? 29.55 minus 1160. 17.95
Oh,
or thereabouts.
look, I guess I got to work on it. I don't have a choice.
Hmm?
I don't have a choice. I'm way total off. I'm gonna have to get my ledger from them because it's not. Not adding up to me.
This is big. Listen carefully. The judge is signing the order of eviction, but delaying execution. That's a powerful procedural move. Translation? The eviction is legally alive. It's real. It's active. It just can't be enforced until March 9th. That means if she pays everything, zero balance, including March rent, she survives. If she misses it, The landlord can move immediately. No new hearing. No extra warnings. This is what I call a conditional lifeline. And did you catch that final advice? Go find somebody. That's not legal language. That's survival language. March 9th isn't just a date. It's a deadline with consequences.
So you're, what I was gonna do is this, I was gonna release all of the escrow to the plaintiff.
Mhm.
I was gonna sign the order of eviction, but indicate that it cannot be executed till, do you get paid that Saturday?
Yes.
Okay, so that it can't be executed until March 9th.
Okay.
Oh, so I'm signing the writ though. So if it's not paid, that she's got to pay March. Part of this also is that she's got to pay March. She's got to have a zero balance. You got me?
Yes.
And I'm going to extend your time,
Okay.
but I'm not going to recall the writ. I'm not staying it. It's going to be out there, but understand if it's not paid on the 9th, they can show right up. They
Gotcha.
can go all the way up with the preparation of doing it.
Gotcha.
You understand me?
Yes.
Is that Mr. Moore?
Yes, it
I want to
is.
make sure that he understands not to.
Yes, we will make sure.
Thank
And
you.
it's you said 1735? That's what,
1785, but check with the
1785.
office because by the 9th, it'll be another 50.
okay.
You can have that.
Oh, thank you. All righty.
You know what you need to do? Go find some money.
Yeah,
Okay.
definitely, for sure.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Oh, man. This writ needs to be prepped. And then just put on there. Yeah, you can put it on there. Not to execute it for the night, but also send an email more. All right, thank you.
Thank you.